Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Salsa Nabila from Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Department of Government Science. I'm going to present my map on a theme politic of COVID-19 pandemic, how online booster infect Indonesians democracy. At this time, it's a world taking case of the coronavirus. Many countries are experiencing this case, one of which is in Indonesia. Coronavirus comes from Taiwan, China. The years 2019, coronavirus introduced into Indonesia, hence the name COVID-19. Over time, the COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesia has become a pandemic. A pandemic is an infection disease and a continuing infection. Where this one case is not just another case. COVID-19 is treated and exposed to both health and life. It also brings so much consequence to politics and democracy in Indonesia. COVID-19 is a deadly virus with a high rate of infection. Death from COVID-19 in Indonesia, 150 blah 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 people were listened on Maret 2020 years. COVID-19 in Indonesia contributes 11% of Asia total 1,369 blah 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 cases and sometimes make it the second helix in Asia. Seeing the COVID case in Indonesia is increasingly demanding that the government takes with action, which is challenge to the government itself. Our government has issued policies, but has also raised controversy over them. People also need a role in handle the case, so as people have to be good at managing information, advising and responding to government online or through social media, and following predetermined rules. However, there are many people who disagree with the politic the government is taking on PSBB, PPKM and lockdown because they think they are affection the economy. The COVID-19 pandemic effect on politics and democracy in Indonesia. The slowdown of the economy is one of the many effects for the spread of COVID-19 that is the focus of attention. However, there are another ramification that are important to note. Among them, the challenge of democracy, and the security of a country in which Indonesia is Indonesia. COVID-19 changed people habits and behavior. In a political sense, the pandemic created new regulation and how governments and government and communities track the local and global levels. COVID-19 is altering democracy, pers, electoral politic, encouraging out their function. As a democracy, Indonesia needs to be careful about taking pandemic policy without reducing its value. COVID-19 also lowered the Indonesia Democracy Index. According to a report from Britain's prestigious magazine, The Economic, via the Economic Intelligence Unit (AU) of early February 2020, Indonesian democracy in 2020, the Indonesian score on the index was 6,30 on a scale of 1 and 10. The restriction imposed on social in the name of the security have led many to assume the governments and try to centralizing power, including decision making, which can be used for political gain of the backs now. One of the best now assumption is that democracy is currently being ridden by the oligarchs and anti-democracy. So they manipulate the democratic process to strengthen existence. The situation and condition in Indonesia in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic that have the most impact on people economic. COVID-19 pandemic activity restriction have affect economic activity nationally. Restriction on community activities affect business activities that affect the economy. Indonesian economic conditions are currently unstable when governments are attempting to opportunize Indonesia economic condition. The pandemic comes with all its negative effects. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected every aspect, especially health condition and economic. The COVID-19 pandemic cannot be denied that the Indonesia economy is currently in a more or less stable condition. At the time of the pandemic, we have suffered many negative effects. Many works have been laid off by the company. Many formal and informal jobs have the effect of the pandemic. Teachers, doctors, hospital workers, laborers, farmers, and others all of them have felt the negative effects of the pandemic. This have much unemployment, lack of income, the collapse of entrepreneurs, and more concerned about the collapse of the company. It's different when normal activities start to happen. The company needs needs time to fit and new employees to start business again. More companies, more companies or traders that I want. Next, that's my presentation. That was my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.